Okay, continue AI tools after AI architecture generator, changing scenario. It's very simple. For example, you have a scene that is in a spring, you can change it to the autumn or something like that. For example, if you refresh the scene, yeah, for example, this image, you can see it's in spring and flowers, anything there. You can type a prompt to change the scenario. It does not really change a lot, but you can change the overall uh, happening and object in a scene. For example, you can type snowy weather. For example, there snowy weather, detailed, more detail, or no, it's better to type this. I type a wolf is behind a gale, but it does not create that for me. Just autumn season and leaves are falling. And make sure that number of is 3 to give a room to AI to produce more. And let's see what happened. Nice. You can see. Let's make it to the autumn, and it does not create a wolf at the behind. Just season autumn. Let's doing again. I don't like these because they're not close to my idea. Let's see what happened here. Now it's more better. Now you can see the falls because it does not recognize a wolf at the back of that. Nice. it changed the scenario of your scene. Or from here, you can choose which style do you want to see. For example, fog and delete prompt. Just allow the PromeAI to change this scene to fog style. And you can choose style intensity. How much is that if you want? But before generating, you have to change. Now you can see change the scene to fog scene. Interesting. So it's just about changing the scenario. You have to make sure you have to know your idea and use a correct tool for changing the scenario of the scene. For example, the means of scenario, for example, you want to make it to the night. Nice. Make it night. Close the style, and at the style, going here, you can see we have a lots of changing. It's the weather, yeah, heavy raining. The time, midnight, maybe, or early morning. You can choose one style at a time. Unfortunately, you have to find more. For example, completely snow. Let's see what happened. It's changing this to snowy. But understand that you can just choose one style for that. Let's make it the snow, or changing the time to midnight. It's completely changed the day to the night. Let's see what happened. Nice, interesting. Or let's try sunset. Because it's completely changed it to the black one and light the scene at the windows. Interesting. It's lots of intelligent artificial behind that. Nice. But unfortunately, we have an bug here. It's not good. Make sure you use image generator 3 to create more. Nice. So, or you can add a prompt. Be careful about prompt in conjunction to style. You have to create good mixing between them. For example, you type snowy weather and you're going to the, for example, spring style. Okay, be careful about the prompt and the style. Okay, that's it. For using PromeAI, go to the description and click on this link. Then simple create an account. You can log in or sign up. You can continue with your Google account, or you can give an email and create a password if you want. And here is PromeAI website. For using the PromeAI tools, AI tools, you have to spend coins. If you need more coins to using more of tools, you have to buy one of these plans. And you can redeem a code. I give that code in description. You can use it to get some coins. Please don't forget to visit our TutorialCells apps channel. In this channel, we are introducing Android application and learn how to use them.